Now children, this is a diagram or a table that describe the partial pressure of gases in or its concentration gradient of oxygen and carbon dioxide in alveoli to blood and from blood to tissue. So this table indicate that actually we all know that in respiratory gas there are two type of gas, that is O2 and CO2. Now if we talk about the pressure, partial pressure means actually the atmospheric pressure means the pressure of all the gases which are present in air together. But partial pressure means a pressure of single gas that what is the effect of that gas. Okay, so here we're talking about only of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So you'll see that partial pressure of oxygen in atmosphere is about 159. As you will know that its percentage is 21% of oxygen is there, and for that we have to count like this, that is 21%, and in atmosphere total amount of partial pressure of gas is 760. It is standard. So 21 upon 100 into 760 will get 159.6 approximately. So we'll take in 159 as a partial pressure of oxygen. As we all know, the concentration of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is very low. So it's in the same way we can find out this, and it will be 0.3. Now when we talk about the alveoli, so in alveoli the partial pressure of oxygen is 104, sorry, and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 40. As the solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than that of oxygen, so the amount of carbon dioxide that can diffuse through the diffusing membrane is much higher than that of oxygen. So if we talk about the in alveoli we have 104, and for carbon dioxide it is 40. So if we want to learn, we can learn it by a trick, that is alveoli dot 40. Alveoli, that is here it is alveoli dot down is 40. So here is 40, and if we go to zigzag manner, then it will be always 40. Means like this, in blood oxygen concentration where the blood is deoxygenated, the concentration is 40. But again when we'll come down, the blood oxygenated hai, to carbon ka pressure 40. Then in tissue again the carbon dioxide is more, to pressure 40, and oxygen ka 40 and carbon dioxide 45. So in this way we can learn this, and we all know that the wall of alveoli is thin, and it is thin, and it is made up of squamous epithelial and endothelium of alveolar capillary and a basement membrane. How it is made up of, I am going to tell you that also. But this, in this way you can see, when there is more oxygen, that is in alveoli the oxygen is more, then partial pressure of carbon dioxide low. When in deoxygenated blood, we all know that carbon dioxide is more and oxygen is less. Again in blood that is oxygenated, partial pressure of oxygen is more, carbon dioxide is less. And in tissue we will know that metabolic activity is going on, so there are more carbon dioxide as producing, and in comparison to that the pressure of oxygen is less. And this is the main cause why how the diffusion or exchange of gas take place, that is due to the presence of this partial pressure. And this is the your alveoli, balloon like structure, and it is single layered because it is made up of squamous epithelial cell with very thin layer is there. Then there is a capillary, and in between capillary and the alveoli there is a space is present, that is called basement, and this is the capillary endothelium. Now this thickening is so thin that it is not more than 1 mm. So it is easy to transfer the gas from capillary to alveoli and from alveoli to capillary. So this is the structure. Now we have to study how the transfer or exchange of gas take place.